Okay, this is a tutorial on how to put properties in our Investor Carrot sites, our investor property sites. So Investor Carrot does offer a nice tutorial here. It's pretty simple to follow along, but I'm going to walk through the video on how we do it. The first thing is you need to, let me go here, you need to make sure that you have the correct site, first of all. We have several sites and through our Investor Carrot dashboard. And the only two that we place properties on right now are AtlantaInvestorProperties.com and GreenvilleInvestorProperties.com. And so what we're going to do next is we're going to go to Content, then Properties on the left. Super simple, right? And then Add New Property. Once there, you can put things in here. Now we can add a new property. I like to have this property match the MailChimp campaign as much as possible. So let's kind of go through. I'm going to have MailChimp open here as well. And we'll go to this campaign and build this property out. Here we go. Okay. So super easy, right? You can just copy and paste some things. Enter the title here, 3-bed, 2-bath in Riverside School District. I might change this one, 2-bath ranch, off market, buy and hold. In Greer. It's all about marketing. Top ranked Riverside High School District. All right, there we go. It's a home. The price we have it listed for is $165. The MLS number, we're not going to put the address. We're just going to put the city. Once we own the property, I don't mind if we put the address, but before we own it, I'd rather not put it in there. Okay, South Carolina. And what's the zip on this? 29650. So if the MailChimp account is being used, you can look at it that way. I don't necessarily feel strongly about putting square footage. Year built would be great. We'd have to have the year built. That's important to have. Construction type, don't worry about that so much. Square footage, if we can find an accurate square footage assessment, that would be good too. I believe if we go to Redfin, Redfin. Goodness. If we go to Redfin, put it in the wrong box, but there we go. Go to redfin.com and we put in our property, 3 Waterfield Court, Greer, and it should tell you built 1998. Okay, so let's put that in there. 1998. It's showing the square footage. 1,239 square feet. Check with the acquisitions manager, and if we think that's accurate. I think it might be a little bit bigger than 1,239, but so we'll just leave it blank for now. Okay, let's go back over here. Basement. This one is on a slab. Lot size, this is less than 1/3 of an acre. And additional features. So in the additional features, you can put in things like, let's go to the MailChimp. Here are the additional features right here. Boom. So we can copy that, bring it over here, paste it in. Home inspection, it'd be good to link that. So I think we may have to put that down further because I don't believe I can put a link there. Okay. All right. So we got our special features, just all that right through there. Now we add pictures, so we can click Add Media, Upload Files, Select Files, and we're going to go to the picture folder. In this case, we're in Greenville, and we can upload all the pictures. That'll take a little bit of time. One thing about pictures, they load faster if they're small. So you may have to go in and batch resize some of these. I've noticed that these are starting to get a little bit larger, but there is a way to batch them to where they're not so big. In fact, I will do that for this. I'm going to take this out right now and hit cancel. I'm going to go ahead and resize those images, and then I'll add them just like I did there. Okay, then down here, this is the place where we can add hyperlinks and things of that nature. So let's go back to our MailChimp campaign. Notice that you've got your comps, your home inspection. So I'm just going to copy that stuff. I might copy this too. And go over here. Notice the home inspection link came through. You might want to do a little bit of formatting where this is bold, you know. So put the home inspection in there. Again, just make the formatting look good. Okay, so I'm going to put home inspection click. Got it. Okay, so there's that. That should take them. Let's see where this goes. Always test the links to see if they work. Yep, there we go. That's working. Okay, perfect. So we have that. And I think we've got that. More stuff that can go in this section. If we go back to the MailChimp campaign, let's see if we can put the rent-a-meter stuff in there. Copy image. Let's see if we can paste this image right in here. Paste. Boom. There we go. So we've got that going. Okay, and then what else do we have over here? Important information. We copy that. Paste that in this content. Let's go back and see if there's anything else we can grab down here. Yep, this thing right here. We'll grab that, copy. Paste. Ooh, that's not what we wanted to do. I just really want this text. There we go. And I think I'll just go ahead and grab this. We'll put that at the bottom. Okay, so there you go. You can preview this if you want over here on the right-hand side. Just hit the preview button. But first, I need to go in and edit these pictures. So let me do a batch resize, and I will be right back with you here. Okay, I got our batched images resized. If you have a Mac, you can do it through Preview. It's pretty simple. But okay, so I'm going to add media here, and let's see. I'm going to upload files. Select. And notice these are a lot smaller now than they were before. They were just too big. They could even be smaller than they are now. But so we'll bring those in, and they should upload a lot faster now. Okay, it takes a few minutes for them to upload, but what we can do then is just go in. We don't need all of these pictures. I just kind of keep a random sampling. The secondary bedrooms, not a huge deal. We don't need a lot of those. Just go through a couple of the best kitchen pictures. That's not a great kitchen picture. A good backyard picture, or 2 or 3. It's fine. This one has a really nice backyard. And a couple pictures of the family room, perhaps. And we should be good to go. All right, so there's that. And we are going to then select those. And those are now in there, right? They look good. Now, I think you can drag and drop. Yeah, you can. So if you want the front picture first, obviously, so you can just drag and drop things around, and it works out pretty good. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, so then once you're done with that, let's preview it again and see what it looks like. Okay, that looks great. That looks really good. Make sure we have the right phone number. I don't like the all caps, so let's change that. Let's just make it not all caps. It's already got good title case on it. Off market Greer Ranch. Sometimes I like to put this Greer Ranch in top ranked Riverside high school district. And then one of my other investor buddies does this. He puts not on MLS. Okay, and so there we go. Let's preview it again. There we go. That looks nice. Okay, that looks good enough to me. So again, we use the campaign to put that stuff in. I guess 3 bedroom, 2 baths. We already know that, but I'll just leave it there anyway. New roof, new siding. Okay, and I think we're good. So we're just going to hit publish. And there's the link now. So we're going to grab this link. I'm going to copy this link address. And then I suggest you go to a incognito tab and test it. Incognito menu. And we're going to put Greenville Investor Properties /property / paste our stuff in there. See if it pops up. There it is. And there's the link we're looking for. Now, we take that link, we copy it, and then we go to our Facebook. Go to the Greenville Investor Properties page, which you'll have to navigate where that is for you. All right, and then we're going to add a new post. Why is it taking forever? Every time I make a training video, my computer runs crazy slow. Okay, great. New off-market great buy and hold in Greer Riverside High School District. And then you paste the link in. It should populate our site, and then we click see, I think everything's good. Posts are public. Okay. Create post. I think we're good here. Okay, so I'm going to hit share now. So there's that. Now we're going to go to the group, the Greenville Investor Group. Sorry about the speed of my computer. All right, go to the investor group here, and we're going to post the same link here. Now, I don't like the way this looks. I would think it would show a picture of a house, but it's not. So let's just add the front photo just to get a little more attention. I like that one better. Open. And then we're going to post. So we've posted it on the Greenville Real Estate Investor Group. There's a page, and then there's also a private group. And so now we have it there. And maybe on the group you just do a little bit more. Great buy, hold, and Greer, Riverside High School, not on MLS. Call Austin at, and then you're going to put Austin's the same phone number from MailChimp, which is this number here, 864-920-0710. Let's see if we got it someplace else. Yep. Where'd Facebook go? There it is. For showing for information. All right. There it is. For some reason it deleted our video or our image. Let's go back and put that in. Front image. Open. And then we're going to save. And there it is. Okay, that's it. That's how you do it. Sorry it took so long. So this, again, just to review, this is how you post a property on the greenvilleinvestorproperties.com page so that we can link it and use that link into Facebook, okay? And you're using the MailChimp campaign as your guide. Obviously, this is what goes out and gets constructed first, and we have a video on that. And then the second thing that happens is you add it to the greenvilleinvestorproperties.com page. And then the third thing is you take that link from greenvilleinvestorproperties.com and you share it on social media, Craigslist. We could probably post it in other investor groups and that sort of thing. Okay, thanks for taking the time. I know it was a long video.